Jumpy Juveria periodic test.
Alright, that was Zingy. And today we are going to a new
Zainab
group.
is acting like a baby.
And isn't she a baby?
No, she's not a baby.
So
She's
there's a
acting
new
like a
group
baby.
that we have. It's made of non-metal, semi-metal, dense metal. And this group is known as pnictogen. Pnictogen means a Greek word, pnigen, which means to choke. That means if you inhale any of these, especially the main one we're talking about, nitrogen, you will choke to death. Alright, so nitrogen is
why it is so harmless?
it is very harmful.
Why?
Yes, pure nitrogen is a harmful gas. Yeah,
We had a cold thing. Someone put
liquid nitrogen. Oh yes, and what happened to the biscuit, Softy?
It was freezing.
It was frozen. Okay, so let's understand.
I can't understand one thing. Look, we use nitrogen gas, na? Then when we use it every time, that's the most popular, na? Every time we use it.
Yes.
So that time also we breathe, na? They don't wear masks, so how they will also try, na?
Correct. No, this liquid nitrogen is not. It's a colorless liquid when nitrogen is cooled below, say, minus almost close to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, centigrade. Sorry. So minus. Yeah, it has to cool liquid nitrogen, and suddenly it becomes like a full of colorless liquid, and whatever you put, it becomes very brittle.
My friend has 101 elements.
Wow, and we will learn as well. See, nitrogen surrounds us all the time because it's a transparent gas and it has 3/4 of our Earth's atmosphere. And pure nitrogen does not react easily. In its liquid form, it can be used to freeze things. So nitrogen is a very useful thing to preserve something like blood. So how do you preserve your blood? You put them in nitrogen. And a lot of nitrogen is used to make explosives, bombs, TNT, nitroglycerin, and when they ignite, they explode because the bonds between nitrogen are detached they're very unstable. Now, unstable means,
Unstable means if we touch it, we will die.
No, we'll not die. If you
We'll
make this
get
TNT, we'll not. See, nitrogen is very important for our living.
Nitrogen is in the what we call fridge also.
In the fridge, yeah, in the smoke that you see. So I'll explain how you use nitrogen. Okay, let's say when it rains, the bacteria in the soil, okay, and the roots of the plant produce nitrogen compounds. So nitrogen and oxygen combine. Then lightning turns nitrogen into nitrogen compound with rainwater. Animal take in that when they eat, and when they release it, so lot of nitrogen is going back to the soil. The bacteria break it and returning pure nitrogen to the air. It's a cycle that we have. We breathe.
When the animals breathe it, they will not die.
No. It's not dangerous. That's not, nitrogen is not used that way.
But you told the nitrogen.
The whole group is, when I'll talk about the other elements in the group, you will know why it is called
I
pnictogen.
did not understand nitrogen at
Okay,
all.
let's start with simple thing. Alright, nitrogen is from a Greek word nitro and genes,
And where was it invented?
which means potassium nitrate making.
Where was it invented?
It was discovered by a Scottish physician, I don't know the name.
And this boron?
Yeah, and boron, I'll have to check where the boron was found. It's you jump to or something. Boron was a French chemist. Nitrogen is important for fertilizers, for the crops.
How much degree it is?
Which one?
When it cools down.
Minus 195 degrees. Minus.
What?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Yeah. And one of the most important thing on nitrogen is, I'll tell you why it is dangerous. You all wanted to know, no? With nitrogen and oxygen, you can make laughing gas. So when I leave the gas, what will happen? You laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh.
Why?
And because it's a gas that they release. So if you see in Ice Age,
If they release the gas, so you laugh.
you laugh, but because of so much of laughing, people will die. That is why it is so dangerous. You can die laughing. Yes, Jumpy.
I'm very scared of that.
Yeah. So I'll show you the Ice Age episode where the slot and everybody there is a pirate with an eye patch. They take them through a bridge where there is a laughing nitrogen gas. If they laugh, they will die.
We should not laugh.
You should be able to control, and that's why nitrogen is dangerous. But think of nitrogen used for
But
fertilizers.
why do we laugh?
Because the gas will make you laugh. It may
Why
tickle
not?
you. Oh, how does the gas
But
make
I
you laugh?
don't get tickled.
No, the gas is like the nitrogen gas. We'll see if we can make something, but it is harmful. It is dangerous.
But how?
Okay, we'll do an experiment nitrogen gas. But let's
No,
quickly
I
learn
don't
about the
want to
fertilizer. So it's used to grow plants. Now think of a big sack of fertilizers and an axe. You know how is the axe? What number is the axe? 7. So nitrogen's atomic number is 7, and the atomic name is N. So nitrogen can be used. N, only N. Correct, yes. Now nitrogen is used in thrusters, as in spacecraft, So when you land something, but one of the most common use of nitrogen is called in drag race. So you have these races like a Formula 1, but where the cars have to zoom past around 500 kilometers per hour. Whoa! And to make the car faster, petrol will not do, diesel will definitely not do, CNG will be slow car. So they need a fuel extra powerful, and that is nitromethane, or in short it's called nitro. And when you put nitro, it is 8 times faster than petrol in the car, and it goes zoom.
I got scared when you were zoom.
So let's learn a little more about the laughing gas, and we'll see a video of it.